The fear of corruption in local law enforcement is what a mother is alleging led to the death of a Rio Grande City teen. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Brenda Medina. It was a tense afternoon in the courtroom after Jose Luis Garcia Jr.'s mother looked at Starr County's district attorney, Omar Escobar, in the eyes, accusing him of working on a favorable side with criminals. The mother of the teen accused of orchestrating the death of Chase Olivares now saying she fears for her life. Our Joanna Guzman joins us with the latest details. Joanna?
Presumption of innocence does not exist in Starr County, depending on how well you know prosecutors. That is exactly what Jose Luis Garcia Jr.'s mother told a jury during her son's trial, who is accused of shooting 17-year-old Chase Olivares, then paying someone to chop up and burn his body. Defense attorney called on Garcia's uncle, mother, and a school counselor to testify after the state rested its case. Garcia's mother, Sandy Garcia, testified her and her family fear the Olivareses because they are known to be the bad people in town, adding Olivares pointed a gun at her son's head, threatening to kill the entire family if he complained about a drug dispute the two allegedly had. She also spoke about a text message Garcia reportedly received on his birthday from Olivares, and although the content of that message was not revealed to the jury, Garcia says she felt her family's life was in danger and went on talking about Olivares' father allegedly being investigated for the execution of two women employees at Rio Grande City CISD who were found naked and tied up together with gunshot wounds to their heads in 2016. During testimony, Garcia repeatedly voiced her fear about testifying, stating she feels there will be repercussions from Starr County law enforcement and the Olivareses, who she says are both dangerous people. She accused Starr County police of being associated with the Olivareses after Olivares' dad showed up to the Roma ranch where Olivares' remains were found while investigators were interviewing Garcia. Garcia's mother claims nobody else could have given Olivares that information besides law enforcement, arguing she had not been notified her son was arrested. When Garcia's mother was asked why she didn't report the alleged threats from Olivares towards her son to police, she openly accused the Starr County's DA, Omar Escobar, of corruption, claiming it would have done her family more harm than good. A school counselor also took the stand, testifying Garcia was smarter than the average student and was a great kid, but prosecutors argued good grades did not mean he was not capable of killing someone. In McAllen, I'm Joanna Guzman, Local 23 News.
Joanna, thank you. 3 other suspects have been charged in connection to this homicide.